What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix an invalid card number on Cash App. So first you're going to want to open the Cash App app on your device, and once you open Cash App, I'm going to tell you two ways of why Cash App is probably not validating your card number. So the first way is either that you have a negative outstanding balance on that card or in Cash App. So make sure the card you're trying to connect with Cash App isn't in the negatives, and make sure you're not in the negatives with Cash App, like you owe them debt or anything. Just they do that because Cash App just doesn't want to get scammed by anybody. So they do that. And the second method is to make sure Cash App servers aren't down. If Cash App servers are down, nobody's going to be able to put their card number on Cash App until the servers are back up. So to make sure that the Cash App servers aren't down, you'd want to go to your friends or family's Cash App and check their Cash App and see if they could send money or request money or any of that. And if they could do that, then the Cash App servers are up. The last method, if one of these works, or if none of these works, if let's say the servers are up and you have a positive balance, then you'd actually want to contact Cash App yourself. So you want to click the top right where profile is. You'd want to scroll down until you see support. Once you click support, you're going to be taken to a new page. You're going to scroll all the way down to chat, and then you would tell them explanation, say, oh, my card number is down like this. Oh, my card number isn't being validated. My card number isn't being validated. Is there a reason why? And just make sure all the boxes are checked off, like the servers are up, obviously, and make sure you have a positive balance with Cash App and on your card. And that's a tutorial. That's 3 methods on how to fix your card number being invalid.